Your Samsung Galaxy might be secretly draining its battery faster than it should, and unless you adjust these settings, it won't stop. If you want to extend battery life, reduce background drain, and even protect your battery's long-term health, your Galaxy S26 already has powerful tools built in. You just need to know where to find them. Hi everyone, it's Grace again, and welcome back to the Pinoy Tech Tips channel. In this video, I will walk you through optimizing the essential settings to save and prolong the Galaxy S26 battery life. To get started, open Settings, then scroll down and tap Battery. At the top, you'll see your current battery percentage along with estimated usage time. Just below that, you can view which apps are consuming the most power, either based on daily usage or since your last charge. This is useful for identifying apps that may be draining your battery faster than expected. One of the most effective features here is power saving mode. Turn on the switch to activate it instantly. When enabled, your phone reduces performance, dims the screen, switches to dark mode, and limits background activity to stretch your remaining battery. If you tap on power saving, you'll see more options to customize how it works. You can choose between standard and maximum modes. Standard applies basic restrictions while keeping most features usable, while maximum goes further by limiting apps and performance more aggressively for the longest battery life. You can also tap the gear icon to fine-tune which features stay on or off while power saving is active. If you don't want to keep turning this on manually, tap the three-dot icon and enable adaptive power saving. This allows your phone to automatically turn power saving on or off based on how you use your device throughout the day. Next, go back and tap Background Usage Limits. This is where you control how apps behave when you're not using them. Turn on Put Unused Apps to Sleep so your phone can automatically limit apps you rarely use. You can also manually assign apps to sleeping or deep sleeping categories. Deep sleeping apps won't run in the background at all unless you open them, which can significantly reduce battery drain. Tap the three-dot icon here as well and check Adaptive Battery. When enabled, your phone learns your usage patterns and limits battery usage for apps you don't use often. This helps optimize battery life without you needing to manage everything manually. Now let's talk about long-term battery health. Tap Battery Protection. By default, this feature helps reduce wear on your battery by controlling how it charges. In basic mode, your phone pauses charging at 100% and resumes once it drops slightly. In maximum mode, you can set a charging limit between 80% and 95%. Keeping your battery from constantly hitting 100% can extend its lifespan over time. Another useful section is Charging Settings. Here you can enable or disable fast charging and fast wireless charging depending on your needs. Faster charging is convenient, but turning it off occasionally can help reduce heat and preserve battery health. You can also control whether charging information appears on your screen. If you ever need to charge another device, wireless power sharing turns your phone into a wireless charger. Just enable it and place another compatible device on the back of your phone. It's perfect for charging earbuds, smartwatches, or even another smartphone in emergencies. There's also an option to automatically dim your screen when the battery drops below 5%, helping you squeeze out a bit more usage before your phone shuts down. Once you start using these settings properly, you'll notice your Galaxy S26 can last longer throughout the day and maintains better battery health over time. And that's it! If this guide helped you take control of your battery life, give this video a like or check out another tutorial to get even more out of your Samsung Galaxy S26. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.